Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Obi in the building. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe. Subscription is free. Turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. It's all about good vibes on this channel, lifestyle vlogs, content like this. Okay, so now let's just go straight into the video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about YouTube, growing, etc. Okay, so growing a YouTube channel can be challenging task. Growing a YouTube channel can be a challenging task, but there are several strategies that can help you to grow your channel quickly, which I'm going to be talking about right now. Please stick around, you're going to enjoy this video. Okay, welcome back guys. So number one here I would say apparently is to use paid promotions. Yes, many people ignore this, but the fact is that I understand you. You've not started making money and you want to start spending money. Yes, I understand you, but don't forget, to make money you have to what? Spend money. That is why you see some of these new companies, they come into the surface and they're paying promotions on YouTube, which is the reason why they're paying you. They're doing promotions on television, they're doing promotions on billboards, they're doing promotions on text messages, on flyers. That is because they want people to know them. Yes, that is differently. Okay, but here paying using a paid promotion on this platform is like telling other big YouTubers who are willing to share you on their platform with just a token. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, yes, it's not bad. So let's just go further into it. So use a paid promotion. Okay, so to use a paid promotion to promote your videos through YouTube Ads, like I just said now, social media Ads and Google Ads, this can help you to reach a wider range of people and attract more people or subscribers to your channel. Yes, sometimes YouTube algorithm takes time, so when you go through this route, other viewers who are looking for, who are interested in things you create, can be able to meet up with you. Okay, so I hope I made sense right here. And number two here I would say is to engage with your audience. This cannot be overemphasized. When you're a small YouTuber, when you're an intermediate YouTuber, before we even get to the middle YouTubers, please engage with your subscribers. You posted a video, people watched the video, why won't you reply to their comments when they send you comments? I've seen big YouTubers that reply comments. I've seen big YouTubers that recognize when when you comment. When I mean recognition, I mean they just send only love, showing that they have seen your message and they read it and they love it, whichever way it is. Please engage with your audience. Okay, engage with your audience by responding to their comments, running polls on your channel, using your community, running polls, asking for feedback. Okay, this will help you to build a loyal community and encourage viewers to share your content with their friends and family. Okay, when you have engaged with your audience, it makes them feel as if they know you already, why they don't know you. Okay, yes, if I have some people on my other channel where I teach Igbo language, most times when I post a video, they share my videos. That is because they have found friendship in me. So when you engage with your audience, it helps you to build this close friendship with them. Okay, and another one I'll say here is collaborating with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers, just collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help you to reach a wider audience and gain more subscribers. Okay, look at other YouTubers with similar target audience, other YouTubers with similar target audience and reach out to them to discuss potential collaborations with them. I know this is very difficult, but regardless, you have to do it. Okay, that is why in big organizations they have targets. It seems like these targets can be met, but you put it down and you meet it. Okay, so don't feel you've spoken to one or two persons and their approach was very bad, and because of it you've closed of trying with other people. Everybody are not the same, okay? So still make sure, still try to collaborate. Try YouTubers that are their subscribers are within your subscribers or intermediary with your subscribers. This will go easier than you're in 1,000 subscribers, you're going for a YouTuber that their subscribers are 20,000 subscribers or 30,000 subscribers. I don't know, they might be feeling pompous. Just very few of them are gonna just be calm and meek, just like me. If I get 30,000 subscribers, I don't give a shit doing a video with someone with 1,000 subscribers. I don't care. It doesn't remove anything from my body, it doesn't add anything from my body. So, but you know, human beings are just very different. Pursuing success can be very, very difficult with some group of people who think if you have something to do with them, you gain from them, they don't gain from you. Okay, so another one here is consistent content. Yes, I know this has been overemphasized. I know basically every YouTuber say being consistent, but darling, that's just the truth. Consistently uploading high quality content is one of the most important things you can do to grow your YouTube channel. Try to stick to a regular posting time, posting schedule, such as once a week, twice a week, and make sure your content is worth sticking to. Okay, just bring quality content along the way. I did say you should go and buy a camera. When you have that phone, position it, use lighting. Even if you don't have a tripod, try to use natural lighting. Make it, you know, make it something that even if you come across on YouTube and you see somebody else's video, you can watch it as well. So make it very welcoming, make the content quality to an extent. Okay, and I would forget to tell you also, as you're creating this content and having a schedule for your content, don't forget to make your content engaging, informative, and entertaining. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to say here is optimizing your video. Optimize your video for search. Okay, by using relevant keywords to your video. Use relevant keywords in your video, your title, your descriptions, your tag. This will help your video to appear in results and attract more viewers. Yes, I've tried this tag thing most of the time. I know this tag thing doing really 100% work, but when you optimize the whole video together, the tag, the title, the description, I'm sure it's going to do a better work. Okay, so guys, what did you learn in this video? I'm gonna just leave a food for thought, a thought for food. Whatever it is, I'm just gonna leave one point here for you. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, okay? But by following these tips, these strategies I just mentioned right here, you can speed up the process and achieve your goals faster. Meaning you have to apply everything I just said now to, you know, meet up to your goal and start, you know, enjoying that thing you want to do. So thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed up to this point, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button, share this video, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.